The PlayStation Portal offers flexible power options. This includes a quick press for sleep mode, a longer hold for full power off, or even an extended press for a forced shutdown. A quick press of the power button while your PlayStation Portal is on will seamlessly transition it into sleep mode. This efficiently conserves battery life, allowing you to quickly resume your game later without a full restart. To fully power off the device, press and hold the power button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. An on-screen prompt will appear, requiring you to confirm the power off action to prevent accidental shutdowns. For situations where the device becomes unresponsive or freezes, holding the power button for an extended period, typically 10 seconds or more, will initiate a forced shutdown. This action bypasses any on-screen prompts for a direct power cut. It's important to remember that for a regular startup from a fully off state, only a brief press of the power button is necessary to turn on your PlayStation Portal, returning you quickly to your games.